Today we have something just a little bit different. So my mate Brent hit me up. He goes, "Hey, I've got an old GPS system you might be interested in." And I'm like, "Okay." And we know it's a GPS because here's your GPS antenna. And there's a windscreen one here. And I believe it came out of a 2002 Toyota Prado. But it's real quirky. So this came from Christchurch. I now have it. The vehicle would have been from Japan, so I'm guessing this was installed in Japan. And it's got this really cool little keypad thing here, which was stuck to the dash. And you can enter your code via the dice. Whatever your PIN code is. I don't know the PIN code, but I guess you can turn off an immobilizer or do something or other with it. If you've seen one of these before, let me know. I'm really curious. Anyway, I've just powered it up on the bench. It's quite obvious because we've got a couple of users and a ground point, so I've just hooked them up to have a play. But yeah, this unit is real big, hey? But it gets even more interesting. So I'm going to take it apart and show you what's inside. Like I say, if any of you have seen one of these before, let me know. This is branded AVL Systems. There's probably, well, I say probably, I know there's very little on the internet about this because this would have been made long before most websites were out. Anyway, this bit here comes apart. And then underneath here, we've got a bit of foam with a shiny bit of plastic. And inside here, get this in view, there's an old telephone. So I'm just going to thumb around. It's stuck in here quite well. Real well. As in, I can't get it out. Here we go. And look at that. The phone's all powered up. And it's a flip phone. Check this out. So, this is in absolute mint condition, and I'm guessing this is how they did their GPS systems back in the day. So, yeah. Any comments, or if you've seen anything similar in the past, hit me up. I'm glad I don't have to install this because it's way too big to hide, and I'm so glad things have moved on. But yeah. Got anything interesting like this, hit me up at vehiclesecurity.co.nz. Hope you enjoy it.